if you guys do, but we love Blackpink, right? Blackpink in your area. We always sing their songs. Like, what songs do we sing, baby?
Click, clack, ba-beam, ba-boom.
Also, we don't speak Korean, so those might not be exactly how the words go, but we listen to Blackpink a lot in this house. I thought it'd be really cute if we did a Blackpink themed Valentine's Day card because those colors look so good for the Valentine's Day theme. If you want to see how we make these cards with this cool edge, stay tuned and we'll break it down step by step on how we make this card for Grandpa. Hey friends, this is what we'll be using to make our Blackpink themed Valentine's Day card. And we love Blackpink, we love all their songs, we listen to it all the time. So we have black construction paper, we have these sticker hearts that we got from Dollar Tree, we also got these stickers from Dollar Tree as well. And then these that we'll have to glue on. They're super glittery and glamorous, just like Blackpink. They're always so shimmery and beautiful and girly, and we love that. And there's also the black side, right? Blackpink. Perfect. And we also have this pink tape that we might use. I also have a pair of scissors in case we do some cutting, and then we have these decorative scissors that we might use as well.
We also have this kind of.
Ooh, we also have that kind of beautiful shimmery tape. Awesome, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is to cut a decorative edge along the card. So I'm going to take the front flap of the card. On this side, I'm going to use the decorative scissors, and I'm just going to cut along this edge with the decorative scissors. I'm going to go pretty thin because our glittery metallic tape's pretty thin, and we want that to be able to show through from the card. So, decorative edge on our card. And then on the inside, so this was a front flap, and now on this inside flap, we're gonna put one of these metallic pink tapes on. So I'm gonna use this one. And let me find the edge of the tape. Have you guys ever struggled trying to find the edge of a tape? I do all the time. Let's see. Where'd it go? Let me find the edge of the tape and then okay, we found the edge of the tape, and then on this side is this holographic silver, which is a sticky side, and then we have the pink side. So you're gonna go a little bit over the edge right there, and then you're gonna pull it all the way down, and you're gonna kind of flatten as you go along the edge here. Oops, let me re-pick that up and make sure I'm going more closely along the edge. So a little bit of trial and error to get this almost aligned perfectly. Okay, flatten, flatten, flatten. And then go past the edge on the other end. So let me show you guys how we do this. So you are on this edge a little bit over and on this edge a little over. And then you're gonna fold it here. And then you're gonna fold it on this end too. Now, once you fold your card over, you're gonna be able to see that nice cool edge. So now it's time to write a message on our card, and I want to show you guys this really cool pen in a second, and it shows up really good on white paper. The pink doesn't show up as much on black paper, but let me show you guys how it works. Okay, so this is what the pen looks like on a white piece of paper. So I'm write love. So as you guys can see, it's pink, silver on the inside. It's really cool looking. Now on the black sheet of paper, it's not gonna really have the same look. The pink's not gonna pick up as much. But we are gonna use it on our card so it does show up. So our message, what do you want it to say, baby?
I love you, Grandpa. I will see you in California.
Cool, so we're gonna put I, and then we'll use a sticker for love. and then we're gonna write you and then grandpa. And then on the inside, we'll write our little message. See how the silver shows up really nicely? We'll write the letter U, but the pink doesn't show up as much, but it still looks awesome. Love you.
Pretty.
It does look pretty. Grandpa. Look at how cool it looks though. All right, that's our outside message and we're gonna start decorating the outside. All right, sweetie, since it's your card, you wanna use the word love. So since it's a Blackpink themed Valentine's Day card, we'll use the pink love. Do you wanna put that in the middle there? Or do you wanna use one of these hearts for love? You wanna use the word love?
Yeah.
Perfect. So go ahead and put the word love. Awesome. It makes the card a little bit 3D too. Oh, so cute. Okay, do you want to use some of these hearts?
Yeah.
Okay. How many do you want to use?
3.
3. Okay. Do you want them all the same size? Or you want a big one too?
I want a big one too.
Okay.
So that way
Oh my god, that is
extra.
so cute. And then do you want to use some of these gemstones? Now,
Yeah.
every time I think of Blackpink, they're so glamorous, awesome. They have rhinestones on everything in their music videos and stuff. So I thought this was very fitting to have gems for our card.
I'm gonna put one right there.
Awesome. Here's another one. Where would you like it to go? Perfect. They're just so cool. Here's another one.
One inside of the U.
Cool. Here's another one. Nice. And do you want to use more of these hearts too?
I want to use one of these.
Oh, cool. So these hearts are a little bit different. They're super, super shimmery.
And
But you need to use glue for them. So we're gonna use just regular school glue. And this will need time to dry. Oh no, there it goes. So just some glue on the back. All right, love, go ahead and throw it on wherever you want it to go. Perfect. Oh my god, look at how cute this card's coming along. And do you want to use this size too?
Yeah.
Okay. And these also came in 2 sizes. This pack came with both red and pink hearts. We're only using the pink because of our theme for our card today. But yeah, they're very shimmery, super cute and shiny. Okay.
And cute.
And cute. Is there anything else you want to put on your card, baby?
And you want more of these.
Okay, we're going to use more of these gems.
Right in there.
Cool. Grandpa's going to love this card. We often buy cards from the store when we do Valentine's Day card, but I always think Grandma and Grandpa love a handmade card. I know Mom and Dad's always love a handmade card versus a store-bought card. We usually do store-bought cards for her classmates, or sometimes if we're sending out a lot of cards to family and friends, sometimes we'll purchase cards, but I love taking time to handmade cards as well. A lot of thought goes into it. A lot of love goes into it. Do you want to add anything else, or are you done with your card?
I want to add a little bit in the inside.
On the inside? Okay, so on the inside, we are going to put, maybe you should put a heart down here. Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah.
You want to do this big heart?
And do one of these.
Oh, you want to do one of those?
No, this.
Okay, we're going to do this again. So we're going to glue it. Nice. All right, and then we're going to put it. Do you want to put it in this corner?
Yeah.
Perfect. Awesome. We're going to have to let it dry a little bit. So here are our completed cards. We left space on the inside. We'll be writing personal notes in. I also want to show you guys my version of the card that I made for this little babes. And with has the other pink so you can see how cool that looks, and also with space on the inside to write. If you guys like crafts like this, don't forget to
like and subscribe and hit the notification button.
Yes, and comment below if you guys are going to make a Blackpink themed card, or if you have another band or artist you like and you're going to make a themed card for Valentine's Day as well. Let us know if you guys like these type of videos, or if you have another craft idea for us to do. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!